Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Today is July 1st. Happy Canada Day to my Canadian followers. Glad you are here. I'm just going to okay. There we are. Okay, so we get card 2 of the Coneflower Celebrations. This card is different than yesterday's. Yesterday's was a little bit more time consuming. This one is going to be simple and easy to do. Okay, so let's get started. So to all my Canadian friends out there, do you guys have any big plans for today? I am going to be going to pick up 16 liters of berries. Okay. So this is a card that we did yesterday. So we did a little bit of watercoloring on this one. Now I love how it turned out. I really do. I was kind of hesitant when I started it, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side and we're going to get started on the next card. So we're going to be using the leaves from the Coneflower Celebration. So it does come with stamp sets. I love the fonts on these. And it also comes with the dies. So we can cut out different. We're going to be using these on Thursday. We're going to be using some of the dies on Thursday. So I'm going to be using both the leaves, and I'm going to be using the thank you note on that one. And we're going to use the dies on this also. So I guess bring those out while I'm thinking of it. I'm just going to put them on my die board there. Okay, so we have a piece of Basic White. All the instructions are going to be over on my blog later on today, or today, if not for sure, tonight. Okay, so we're using Shaded Spruce and Shy Shamrock. Those are the colors that we're going to go with. And like I said, it's going to be a super simple card today. Super simple, super simple. Yeah, okay. I always say that and ends up being, what you call it. Okay, so we have our Shaded Spruce ink pad. We're going to use this piece right here, and I got some leaves. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stamp the leaves onto this piece of Shy Shamrock. And like I said, all the instructions and all the measurements will all be over on my blog or on my YouTube channel either later today or tonight. Okay, so we'll just put that out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to put these guys together. Now we're going to do some die cutting and some embossing. So I have the, this is called Broken Glass. It's embossing folder that there's actually two. There's the Broken Glass, and then one has flowers. I'm going to move this out of the way here. Okay, so I'm going to emboss this piece. Yeah, I was going to go pick berries, but it's just too hard on my back. I'm bending over, and my knees, and so I just ordered one of the markets here in town. It's ordered, so I ordered a couple days ago, and I should be able to go and pick everything up this afternoon or this morning. We're gonna, and they said after 11, so we'll go out and we'll get that, and then come back. And it's supposed to be nice today, so we will have some fun time in the pool. So I'm cutting 2 leaves out, and I'm going to do the back of them dark, and then the leaves themselves I'm going to do on the lighter side. So Rick was telling me today that, like, today's our trash day, and we hardly have any trash, but we've been purging like crazy. Me with my craft room, Rick with his garage, the yard, the back room, like everything, but just been purging just to get rid of stuff, right? And you know, since we started doing this, it's almost like a weight's been lifted off my shoulder. The house looks neater. I'm not saying that we're hoarders. We're not hoarders. We just, it's been so long since we got rid of stuff. And I think with Will being here, he helped with that part of it. But I really love to do the back room. The back room is like our junk room. And I've been really good about putting like my stuff away from the crop. I've been keeping them in clear containers and trying to keep all of the kitchen stuff together, that sort of stuff. So, okay, I'm just gonna grab my glue gun, which is right here, and so it just is such a relief to get rid of stuff. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to adhere the leaves on top of each other so they look like that. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit of liquid glue. And I'm just going to take this piece right here and just adhere this onto here. And this one onto here. It's supposed to be a warm one here today. Yeah, yes. I'm going to be out in the pool this afternoon. Get the berries in, and then I will get them all cut and washed, hulled, sliced. I have this wonderful thing from Pampered Chef that I use. It's a slicer, and I can slice up a cup at a time. And I just, after I wash them and everything, when I'm slicing them, as soon as I finish slicing them, I just dump them into a bag. Easy peasy. Can be done in no time. Okay, so now we're going to adhere the emboss piece onto the card base. I'm going to use liquid glue for this. And that's just going to slide into place just like that. I'm going to put this piece right there, and I'm going to use dimensionals for this one. Oh, there's a package open. So almost done with my craft room. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I'd like to get find new homes for. So if you're looking for any storage containers or any shelving or anything like that, let me know, 'cause I do have some. And I'm in Canada. I'm in the Winnipeg area. So if you need anything, just let me know. And you know what? I need to cut out a piece for my sentiment. Totally forgot about that one. Okay, and just give me a second. I'm just going to grab some basic white. There we go. I'm just going to run this through my cut and emboss machine. Take a second here. There's my piece. Put that back into there so I won't lose it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my thank you and my Shy Shamrock and this my bring in my this, there it is. I'm just going to bring in my silicone mat, put that back. And just put this on here. I'm going to say thank you. I'm just going to just and I think I might have put that just a wee too far. Let's just see. Oh, we'll make it work, right? No, I'm going to cut another one. I want it over to the right a bit so I can put an embellishment onto the piece. Just be a second. There we go. Go. I'm just going to get my thank you and oops, just there we go. This is going to go onto here like that. I'm going to put dimensionals on the corner. Grab some mini dimensionals. And because it's going on a dimension piece, I'm going to double up. This one's going to be on the other side, so we'll double up on this one. And there we go. Oops. This one's just a little not quite far enough. There we go. We'll put a leaf there. Let's be able to slide underneath, right? Yeah. Let's slide him underneath. And then we'll take this guy and put him on top like that. Oh man, I'm just going to glue him down just the edge like that. I'm just going to let that, okay, let it cool, but we're going to let it set for a bit. I'm going to bring in my bow maker and some twine. I was cleaning out, I get these boxes, 1, 2, the paper pumpkin boxes or card kits and everything like that. I do them up and I put everything back in a box and then I just file a box. And I found so much stuff, so I emptied the boxes. Anything that I used, I got rid of. Kept the stamps and any embellishments or ribbon or anything like that. I definitely kept. I'm just going to put that right there, using a glue dot. Now, if you don't have, I don't like plain cards. Does that make sense? I don't like the backings to be plain. I love to put some sort of embellishment on. So on this one, I'm going to use the green tool. I'm going to just take one. I'm going to put it right there. And then we'll just in there. And I think we'll just leave it at that. Just 3. So there we have it. There's the card that we did yesterday, and here's the card that we did today. And the one tomorrow, we're going to use a few more dies and stamps. But easy. After this one took quite a while. This one was pretty easy to do. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, I shall see you on Thursday. And if you're in Canada, I hope you have a wonderful Canada Day, whatever you decide to do. To me, it's a barbecue, pool time, a few drinks on the patio or on our deck. So, okay, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.